cradle and take this boat out for a spin. Please remain seated at all times. Keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat. Parents, supervise your children. Alrighty, everyone, welcome aboard the world famous Oh, I'm so sorry, guys. You do have to be facing forward. In the back, we just gotta be facing forward. Yeah, they gotta be on their back pockets facing forward. They can be on a lap. That's fine. Perfect. Amazing. Alright, guys, welcome aboard the world famous Jingle Cruise. I'm so sorry, guys. That was my first Noel. My name's Skipper Jared, and I'm going to be your ho-ho host for the next 12 days, or as far as we get before New Year's Eve, where we'll begin our adventure deep in the Amazon rainforest here on the Amazon River. Now, the Amazon's actually one of Santa's favorite vacation spots. You know, he's a big fan of the reindeer. Now, if you were to look on either side of the boat, you'd see some of our large Amazonian humbugs. Listen carefully, well, and you just may hear their call. Ah! Ah! Yep, that's what I thought. Bah, humbugs. Now, over here, guys, that's normally Inspiration Falls, but during the holiday season, well, that's the Jingle Bell. That's the Jingle Bell. That's the Jingle Bell Rock. Isn't it amazing? Yeah, it's still inspirational, too. I mean, it's still inspiring me to go deeper and deeper into the jungle. Of course, I mean, we are now on the Congo River. Yeah, we should really see how far this boat Congo. And now, guys, up ahead is our boats, baits, and bite shop. This is where I invited all my family and all my friends for a little holiday get-together. As we pass the wine, I'll wish them a Merry Fishmas and have a Happy Veronica. Let's see it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Oh, wait. I mean, I can't see anybody. Can you? No, I certainly don't. But I hope they got their Christmas present. I put it around here somewhere. I mean, it's an old tree. You can't miss it. Oh, look, it's right over here. Oh, look what's on top. Any guesses? It starts with the letter P. Partridge. Yeah, there's supposed to be 2 trees, so it was going to be a partridge and a pair of trees. Yeah. Speaking of Christmas presents, right over here, that's our gift wrapping station. Now, you may think we've gone ape by hiring gorillas, but I mean, guys, just check out that turnover rate. I know. You must have got a monkey wrench in their stocking. Now, speaking of that rate that's on that Jeep, you know, it's covered in shotgun shells. Reminds me of my time last year I got mistletoe. Yeah, blew my socks right off. Now we're on the Nile River. You know, it's the longest river in the world. It goes on for Niles and Niles. And if you don't believe me, well, then you're in. No, it's actually so long it goes all the way up to the North Pole. Yeah, it's really elf-sustaining. Right over here, an African bull elephant. This one's training for his solo in Silent Night. Let's give a listen. Wasn't that amazing? What's really amazing about elephants is they have one of the best memories out of any animal found here in the jungle. Yeah, I wish I had that kind of memory. Really helped me with my job. Oh wow, look, an elephant. Did you know that elephants have one of the best memories out of any animal found here in the jungle? Man, I wish I had that kind of memory. That would really help me with my job, you know. It just would. Over here, the African belt with its wide range of reindeer species. Right up front, we got some bearded reindeer. Behind the bearded reindeer, there's some long-necked reindeer. And then over here on the left-hand side, there's some vintage reindeer. Yeah, you can tell they're vintage because they're still in black and white. Look at this family of lions. They've actually invited one of those vintage reindeer over for Christmas dinner. I don't think he knew they'd be having zebra on the rocks. I'm just kidding, you guys. He's dead. Tired. Dead. Tired. Yeah, he's just sleeping. Whoa, guys, this is crazy. Are you looking over here at Skipper Felix? Yeah, Skipper Felix, he's such a silly goose. He went out here looking for a drummer for his Jingle Cruise band. Looks like he found a horn instead, though. Yeah, he did. Keep looking, Skipper Felix. Nobody, I don't think that's it. Now you better keep looking. Don't worry, you'll get the point in the end. Now, right around this corner is Crocodile Country, where you'll see my good friends Smiley and Ginger. You know, Ginger's been good all year. Yeah, we all pitched in to get her what she really wanted this holiday season. A slow cooker. Yeah, but we all know that's a croc. In fact, he's right there. That's Mr. Frost. But be careful, guys. Frost bites. Now, behind me on top of that cliff, I actually made you all a snowman. He's really cute. You guys gotta check this out. Oh my gosh! He melted. We're gonna have to lean right. Everyone lean right or we're not gonna make it. We're not gonna make it. We are not going to. So glad no one panicked. That would have been really crazy. It was a close call too. You know, I almost had to deck the balls with folks I'm hauling. Now guys, who says you can't find flights this time of year? I know, and look, it's even half off. It actually reminds me of my time training to be a pilot. You know, the only thing I didn't realize was the hardest part would be the ground. Now guys, I can't help but think this is my fault. I did ask Santa this year for some hungry hippos, and oh boy did he deliver. That's okay, I hear they're afraid of commitment. Yeah, let's see if this still works. I love you. Let's spend the holidays with my family this year. And they're gone. Just like my ex. Now guys, we are coming up on the scariest part of the Jingle Cruise. Yeah, because right here, it's the Christmas carolers. Okay guys, everyone duck. I'm going to turn the porch lights off. No one make a sound, and no one mention figgy pudding, because they won't go until they get some. No, guys, they will not go until they get some. Okay, I think the coast is clear. Oh, but look, it's my two friends. We got Crate over there, and that one's Annette. Yeah, Annette's quite the catch. Looks like she opened up her Christmas present early. I don't think anything will go wrong with that, right? Does anyone else feel itchy? No, just me? Yeah, I think that's the Feliz Navidad. It's bad this time of year. Alrighty guys, well, this is the moment you all been waiting for. The holly, the jolly, it's the one, it's the only. And this time of year, guys, it's in season. It's the backside of eggnog! Eggnog! What'd you think I was gonna say? Yeah, you know what's really cool about the backside of eggnog, you guys? I get to see it every 10 minutes. I do. Now guys, we're now on the Mekong River, and if I'm not mistaken, up ahead that's actually a secret southern entrance to Santa's workshop. Oh, of course I'm mistaken. That's actually the home of our Himalayan tiger named Sandy Claus. Yeah, we call him that because he's been stalking us all along that beach over there. Yeah, but don't worry. You know what? He hangs up his stocking this time of year. Yeah, so you guys, you better not shout and I better not cry. Let's go see Sandy Claus. Look, it's our Jingle Cruise gift shop. That's pretty exciting. And wait a minute, that's an elephant. That's really crazy. I don't know if you guys know this, but Santa used to use elephants before he used reindeer. Yeah, if it wasn't for reports about rip damage, I still think he'd be using them. You can't beat that kind of trunk space. Surely. You just can't. Alright guys, please remain seated. Keep your hands off, feet and legs inside the boat. Parents, supervise your children. Now the skippers are on the doctor holding up the number 2. You probably don't know what that means, but I do. They're rating me on a scale between 1 to 10. A 2. That's okay. We're gonna go up to the dock number 2, where it's twice the khaki and twice the distance to the exit, all for your personal inconvenience. Merry Fishmas, Happy Veronica, also Happy Canoe Year. Alrighty guys, well, I think there's only one more thing left to say, but I'm gonna try to make it festive. How do you say get out to make it festive? Oh, I think I've got it. Make like Santa and leave my presents. Alright, stand, leave, alright. Welcome back everyone.
This video was presented by the letters F and by the number 314. Thanks for watching.